Hi everybody, my name is Ashley Norris and this is my intro video for Module 1. I am currently a first year chemistry teacher at Mulvane High School in Mulvane, Kansas, and I am completing the Transition to Teaching program here at Fort Hays State to complete my licensing. I must say I have thoroughly enjoyed my very first semester teaching. This is the absolute most fun I've had at a job ever. So I've been in the private sector for many years in management. So I do have experience with the leadership piece, and I look forward to what this class has to offer. As far as extracurricular activities go, I don't have some professionally yet, but I do volunteer quite a bit in my hometown of Winfield, where I live. My husband and I lead worship at our church, and I'm involved in the children's ministries, and I have 3 beautiful children of my own that keep me pretty busy. So I look forward to this coursework and developing myself professionally in this new career choice, and I hope that it will influence them as they grow. And I must say that looking back on who's influenced me the most, I'd have to say it would be my parents. And a lot of what they have taught me and mentored me over the years has developed me both as a person and professionally as well. My father is a regional manager in the aircraft industry, and my mother is actually a middle school principal. And they both have some different perspectives on leadership, and I'd have to say, as I've developed over the years and developed my own style, I must say that what they have taught and mentored me over the years, mine is very much a combination of what they both do. So when I looked at the personality test that we took, it wasn't surprising to me what the results were. It was very well-rounded, as I scored pretty similarly in the emotional stability, agreeableness, conscientiousness, and intellect imagination. So very well-rounded in those aspects, but the extroversion piece was a little bit lower for me, and that didn't surprise me, as I'm more of a supportive role manager than being out and being the center of attention. So that's not something that surprised me. I can be if the situation calls for it. So when I look at the 2 leadership theories that most describe me, I would have to say it would be the situational leadership style and then also the servant leadership style, which is very much a reflection of what my personality test showed. So as a situational leader, you have to be very well-rounded and have to adapt, and I believe that's something that's very crucial when you're working with a whole array of different types of people. So you have to be able to mold and adapt to be able to accomplish the goal at hand. And that's something that I've learned from my father over the years, that he's done some work with understanding the psychology of others and using their strengths in order to get the task at hand done, because like we say, you can't ask an apple to be an orange, so you kind of have to speak their language in a way and adapt how you're communicating with them in order to get the task done. Now, on the other aspect of that, I'd say that I would also be a servant leader, and that is that I would never ask anybody to do something that I wouldn't be willing to do myself, and that I really like being in that supportive role and helping my staff be successful. And that's something that I've done over the years, being in a management position for those years prior to being a teacher. And I carry that into the classroom too, because I do what I need to do, or at least what I feel like I need to do, to help my students to be their absolute best. So I like being in that supportive role and putting their needs first. And that's something that I've learned from my mom, and that's the leadership style that she has at her school, which if I look at how her staff responds to her, that's something that's been very successful in this community that she's in. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you very much for viewing it. I hope you have a great rest of the semester. Bye.